okurugirira hari Sharifu Masereko chairman w'entebe y'okubanza wa Kidodo nagira ngu nubwo umwanya ogurikumanywa nk'ogw'okushukamu kasasiro konka nibagishushuka hibabona
batuletamu akasasiro kwisikatabe management twabirete bagutuze amakasiro bakahumaye usane n'ebitsibu eby'abaana betu n'abantu batimbire kwa kasasiro bakisirushe mu bulwere embure y'amaberewa akasasiro akakabe hapo bitsibu
abatura nibenda bebembezo kubirukanjirira batakatungira endwara ezirukomoka omuburofa
bakiva mesi bangatuwa aketiketi emera ketukaraka netutukendesha irwako itwamenya tuti eshamatoka isikareta kasasiro tukasibulukinga sirikita sasahano mbeno bangaseserebuwa ngokutuwita enwe kitsibitina nekitsibi
tukabya tukendi hukula ekibehwe kikalo makasasiro kikatukora nabe Abaana bakana nererya busana neryowa ekibehwe kikalo makasasiro abandu bakayasara omani webuti ali nona kubura tisauti apateti yererya busana nekibehwe ekiro makasasiro
omulenge wetu tukahwe ruti balangire ndibakatwetika iya batasaba no nde mwanye oba banganahekaro makasasiro kanu eryo nerere sababili yetu ngabandu abikalani kuti abali hakuhi na kasasiro omachidodo mwekabunweno
Chris Kabagambe orukujunanizibwa habwe obuyonja habwa municipality ya Kasese okurabira hasumo nagira ngo kizubu cyona nikikomoka habwa tukutuku oburukushuka kasasiro omwanya ogu.
We are aware one of the problems is these people who dump. They dump with the small vehicles, the tuk-tukus, which do not enter inside there into the plant, and they just dump near the roadside. And if it is not turned in a week, then it spreads all the cavera flies into people's neighborhoods.
Kabagambe nagira ngu nangwa na sente zokukozesa omu kuyora kasasireji tiziruho.
The beginning of a financial year is always not an easy period for us. The payment system is always locked. And we have just started processing. We know by Thursday, we shall have had fuel and we shall be able to work.
Aba nibagira ngu cyakubire nkibasika kansero ndugundu mwanya ogokushukaho kasasireji amakuraga gashakwa Gilbert Muhanguzi.